So first come on this website gigabyte.com. So you go Gigabyte official website, then you can see here the search button. Click here and then type your motherboard model number, which is Z890 AORUS Pro Ice, and then hit enter. Then click to, you can see here the product. And click to here. Then click to support. Select your operating system which is required. Okay. Now guys, VGA driver. So just click to download. You can see here the 915 MB size. I already downloaded. You can see here. Just after downloaded, to open file. After that, double click to setup. Click to yes. So guys, this is install. After close,